Meaning of high flyer.
High flyer.
High flyer.
High flyer.
High flyer. The term high flyer is used to describe someone who is highly successful, ambitious, and achieving great heights in their career or personal life. It refers to a person who is reaching the top of their profession or industry and is often recognized for their outstanding achievements. This can be applied to anyone from business executives to athletes. High flyers are viewed as inspirational figures and often serve as role models to others aspiring to achieve similar success. Overall, being a high flyer is a symbol of excellence and hard work in one's chosen field or pursuit.